Hey everybody, it's Monday. Okay, we've got a few things. We're doing things a little differently this week. I'm going to give you a little bit of review. The whole week is going to be some review. I'm not introducing anything new. So you're going to watch a little video each day with me just reviewing a little bit of what you're going to do, and then you're doing about anywhere between 27 and 30 problems on Moby. What you need to be careful to look for is the end of the lessons. You know, Moby lessons can kind of run into each other, so you have to make sure when you see that percentage pop up, that's one lesson. When you see the next percentage pop up, that's the next lesson. When you see the third one pop up, that's your last lesson. So make sure you're looking for that. It'll say, I'm looking at my notes, it'll say you're starting a new lesson topic. And every time you see that come up, make sure you read what's highlighted. That will show you the next lesson that you're on. Okay, well, each day I want to do a little video to review what you're going to be talking about, what you're going to be doing on Moby. So, first of all, this week we are doing place value all week. How do you say this number? You are so right. 10 and 672 thousandths. So like I said, this week is all about place value. So one of the things I want to talk about is, so here, so we have 9,182 and 736 thousandths. So it's important, remember that when you get to these digits after the decimal point, those are small. Those are fractional pieces, actually. And we talked about taking a piece of cheese, folding it up into lots of pieces, and those little pieces are what we're talking about, parts of a whole. Remember, tenths are so different from tens. If I give you a $10 bill, that's a lot bigger than a tenth of a dollar, which is a dime. Now, something you're going to see on Moby is they're going to have something where they'll say, for example, they'll have all the places written out. And, okay, it's going to go like this. Thousands, 1,000, hundreds, 100. Maybe they skip this one. Ones. Now they'll say tenths, of course, like 1 tenth, which is exactly how you say that. But people do get tripped up on that fraction representing tenths. Hundredths, 1 over 100. And thousandths, 1 over 1,000. So the question they might ask you, they might show you all of this. Whoa. That was bad. And they might say, what is this? They just want you to write the number 10. And actually, it's multiple choice. They want you to pick the number 10. I forgot my little lamp that I set on the table. It looked like my eyes are black. They're still blue. Okay, and then the other thing you're going to start today, but not do too much. Do not freak out. Do not panic. You guys totally know how to do this. It's totally easy. But I can see some of you panicking. Do not do the whole deal where you put a 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 9 is 0. And then put another 0 placeholder. And 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 9 is 0. No. You know better. You know better. When you have a 1 as one of the digits, as the first digit here, all they want us to do is to count the zeros. We can do that. 1, 2, 3. If it's a 1 over here. So we go, okay, how many zeros? A 1, a 2, a 3. And then 1 times 91. Whoa, goodness. There we go. Is 91,000. You got it. You can do it. All right, so good luck. Make sure you do those Moby lessons. Stop after your third one. Look on that Google Doc that you opened up to get into once you got into the math classroom. Look on that doc. Check off the things as you do them, and you're going to be okay. All right. Email me if you have any questions or problems. And also, we're going to have a Kahoot again on Thursday. Google Hangouts, Google Meet Kahoot, I'll put the link in the classroom on Thursday. So Thursday at 1, try to get on. It's easy. I mean, it is super easy to get on there. And we had a good time with Kahoot. So yeah, all right. See you tomorrow.